Alright guys, it's Nick with another Kodi build video. So still using the Beast in this one. I'm just going to show you how to add one of my all-time favorite add-ons. So we're going to go over here to System, go to File Manager, and we're going to go inside of File Manager, add source, and inside here we are going to add http://fusion.tvaddons.ag and name this Fusion. It's one of my favorite repositories. Has all kinds of awesome stuff. So now inside here we're going to find a couple more pretty wicked repos that have tons of awesome add-ons. So we'll go to System, Add-ons, Install from zip file. So here we're going to go to Fusion, XBMC repos, English, or whatever language you prefer. Blaze repo has one of my first favorite ones, so we're going to install that repo. And I'll show you what's inside that one that I use. Just waiting for the repo to finish installing from the zip file. And once that's done, you go inside your install from repository, Blaze Tamers repository. Inside here, video add-ons. So I use Fright Picks, tons of corny old horror flicks in there, and some newer ones, pretty awesome. And Velocity, this is an alternative for Genesis and for One Channel and for salts. So it's pretty cool inside here. I'll just go ahead and show you. It's got a bunch of stuff. I mean, it's still young, but they're getting tons and tons of stuff in here. There's TV shows, trending TV, popular TV. You can do a search. Let's just say I want to look for Big Bang. Oh, Big Bang. And there you go, Big Bang Theory. All the seasons updated pretty quickly as well. So you can see it has the ones that are coming. There's the newest episode right there. Show you guys it's the same as Genesis, Specto, and also Salts. It's a scraper, so it gives you tons of sources for it. This uses ice films, PrimeWire. So I'm just going to choose a random one here. We'll hit enter. Wait for it to open. And away we go. Pretty awesome. It's another one that I use a lot. There's tons of other stuff in here too, as I said. Go in the movies section. Popular trending, you can search for movies. Just go in popular section. There's the Avengers, Guardians of the Galaxy, Fight Club, Avatar. Let's do Fight Club. Once again, tons and tons and tons of sources. We'll try 720p one this time. May buffer. Some of them do. Some of them do pop up with this as well. I don't see it very often. It's kind of weird that it actually popped up this time. Probably because I chose an ice films one. I'm going to cancel that one and try a different one. Back into Fight Club. I tend not to use the ice film ones. Sometimes I'll use 9 movies is pretty good. 1 to 3 movies is pretty good. PrimeWire is pretty awesome as well. I mean, you could just use these sources themselves, but this scrapes for all of them, so you can go ahead and check them out. So this says it's DVD quality. Have a look here as soon as the source starts. Now, a lot of people say to me, "Why don't you use Aries?" I don't know. I like installing them myself, and sometimes Aries is down, so it can be not reliable. Sometimes it's awesome. It is pretty cool to use Aries to install your builds, and also to install your repositories. But I don't know. I kind of like it doing it the old-fashioned way and putting it in myself. So I'll give you a fast forward there, and there you go. There's Fight Club. So that's one of my favorite add-ons. I still use the Genesis Fork Spectro as I showed you in the last video. So I'll also show you the Fright Picks as well. This one's pretty awesome. Like I said, there's some pretty lame ones in here, pretty old school ones. Let's go into Zombie, Night of the Living Dead, Vault of Darkness, Zombie Cop. There's one I was watching the other day. I think it was Zombie Planet 2, Adam's Revenge. Away you go. These ones don't have sources. They work right away. Give you a little bit of a fast forward. Zombie Planet 2. So that was the Blaze Tamers repository. We're going to go back. We're going to add a couple more. So install from zip file again. Go back down to Fusion. XBMC repos, English, or whichever language you want. There is an adult section as well. So inside here, one of the other ones I use is Canada On Demand. Some of these work in here, some of them don't, but I just like it to have the CBC portion. And it has action, so if you're a Trailer Park Boys fan, it has their alternate show, the Happy Fun Time on Drugs show. So that's there as well. And while that's installing, we're going to go ahead and install a couple more. So once again, the XBMC repos, English. And one of the other ones I really like to use is Metal Kettle. Already comes in the Beast, but if you don't have the Beast, then Metal Kettle's here. Same with Lambda. Those are two awesome repos as well. So one of the other ones I like to use TK Norris as well. I use XBMC Hub and XBMC Plus. So we'll install that. And while that's being installed, we'll go ahead and install it. It's the extra one as well. Now while they're being installed, we can go ahead and install the other repositories. Now on your Android box, you might not be able to do this quite as well because it's probably going to run too slow or chug for you to be able to install multiple repositories at once unless you bought a high-end Android box. Still pretty cool though. So that's installed. Zoom to Detox is another one that I like. There's tons in here. This has one of my favorite add-ons, the WWE Online add-on. So I'll show you there. It also has the SD backup wizard for this as well. So that's to back up your build and to reinstall it on other devices. So we'll go down here. And this one here is the XBMC. Oh, it's not working. It's not finished installing right now, so it's doing that in the background. This one has tons of stuff as well. So it has Phoenix inside of it. Speaking of Phoenix, RIP to Rock Crusher. It was an amazing, amazing repository with all kinds of awesome stuff. Crackle works. It's amazing. You can add that, or you can just get the app. It's up to you. But there are tons of awesome add-ons inside here as well. As I said, we don't want the white cream repository. This one I'm probably gonna have to install again. So 1 sec here. But you guys get the gist here. That's one of my favorite repositories, is the Fusion repository. So to get to that, once again, you go down to File Manager. Inside File Manager, you go Add Source, and once again, that web address was http:// fusion.com. tvaddons.ag, and then name it whatever you want. Click done. Okay, and away you go. Yours might look different if you're not running the beast. It's going to look a little different than this, but it's the exact same, just system, file manager, add source, and away you go. There's the address there again, http://fusion.tvaddons.ag. Really amazing repository. And we can go into system, add-ons, and I'll show you one of the ones here that we just added. So let's go down into, let's see if that loaded yet. Nope. TV add-ons, video add-ons, and we added Crackle. So we're going to launch Crackle, go into TV shows, All in the Family, random episode, and away you go. Tons and tons of awesome stuff in there, guys. Hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed, go ahead and hit that like button for me. And subscribe if you want to look forward to new videos. I'll be showing you a couple other builds in the future, but I just figured I'd show you how to add add-ons in the Beast. I do another video with basic coding on how to add add-ons as well. And you go ahead and enjoy the rest of your day. And thank you for watching.